Hey, yo, hey, you, look closer. Hey, you want to have the perfect auto-tune settings, wave tune settings, you want to always find the tempo for your beat. Hey, got a secret. I can let you in, but hey, don't tell nobody, though. Make sure you check out Mixed in Key if you can. But
I have a folder, and here's the beat we're going to use. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up Mixed in Key. So basically, all you do is you find the file or whatever, and you can just drag and drop. Once you drag and drop it, this is what it's going to do. It's going to process. While it's processing, it shouldn't take too long. It lets you know the tempo of the song, and it lets you know the key result. So what you do with that is, let's say like I want to put it in the Pro Tools now, so I can know the settings. So I just drag my beat in, put my tempo in, and my tempo is 149.99. 149.99. Alright. And the key of the song is in G minor. So I'm just gonna pull up the Autotune and put it in G minor. Boom. Song set. So, and now I'm finna record a little bit so we can see what it sounds like. So, yeah, let's get it.
Ivan the producer.
I just want you for one night. Put them things to the side. I ain't tryna make you wife. No wifey. Girl, I ain't looking for a wife. I just want a one night. No, I ain't looking for no wife. I just want a one night. I just want a one night.
Let me see what it sounds like.
I just want you for one night. Put them things to the side. I ain't tryna make you wife. No wifey. Girl, I ain't looking for a wife. I just want a one night. No, I ain't looking for no wife. I just want a one night. I just want a one night.
But look, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for your boy. And look, all my rappers, producers, and engineers, keep creating. That's what we do. So yeah, fuck with your boy. So fuck with your boy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See y'all in the next video.